Here is the way to find out mean, median, mode and range. The question is 617424. So here in the mean, this is the average. That means you have to add all these numbers and divide by the number of numbers. That is 24 and the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Here is your mean. Median. Median is the middle number. That is the middle part, as there are two middle numbers, so this is the middle number, which will be 4 plus 4, so it will be divided by 2, so that will be the answer will be 8 divided by 2, 4 is the answer. Mode is the number of repetitive number, so 4 is repeating 2 times, so here the mode is 4. Range is again you have to arrange the number in the ascending order, so that will be the bigger number will be subtracted by the smaller number and you will get the range. Thank you.